she doesn't look like she's even got a Gucci.
Okay. I'm shivering. I hope it doesn't ruin the thing.
Yeah, it's not so bad inside. Definitely getting colder.
So pretty. Okay. Okay. You're so funny. Where are you? She's just announcing herself.
Yes. You're very sweet. You're very sweet and pretty. You're great. Over here.
Oh, where'd she go? There you are.
Come on, I'll train you. I'll train you. What is this, bouncy girl? Can I have it? Can I have it?
She wants both.
I know. You're gonna swallow that ball. Let me get it. Okay, like it. Ow. Come here. There we go. Oh, now what do I do? Now what do I do? You like your ball, don't you? You like your ball. Do you want to play tug of war? Here. You want to play tug? That's not my friend's ball. Very playful. All right, we're good.